Breaking news for Social Security beneficiaries. Tomorrow is going to be a game-changing day as the Social Security Administration rolls out preloaded direct deposits worth up to $4,500, hitting bank accounts nationwide. If you're wondering why your next Social Security payment might be significantly larger than usual, you're about to discover exactly why and how this affects you. Before we dive into these critical details that could impact your finances tomorrow, take a quick second to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay updated on all Social Security payment news and changes that directly affect your wallet. Have you been checking your bank account repeatedly, waiting for your Social Security deposit? Well, the wait is almost over, and this time it's going to be different. The Social Security Administration has implemented a revolutionary new direct deposit system that's changing how millions of beneficiaries receive their payments. But why is tomorrow's payment so special? And more importantly, how can you make sure you're not missing out on any portion of this increased deposit? Let's start with the burning question on everyone's mind. Why $4,500? This isn't your regular monthly payment. The Social Security Administration has been working behind the scenes to streamline their payment system while addressing the mounting financial pressures facing beneficiaries. They've recognized that the traditional payment structure wasn't keeping pace with today's economic challenges, and tomorrow's enhanced payment is their response to this growing concern. You might be wondering, do I qualify for the full $4,500? That's exactly what we're going to break down today. The Social Security Administration has established specific criteria for these enhanced payments, and understanding these details is crucial for every beneficiary. Whether you receive retirement benefits, SSI, or SSDI, tomorrow's deposit could significantly impact your financial situation. Here's something fascinating about tomorrow's payment. It's part of a new preloading system that the Social Security Administration has developed. Instead of the traditional payment processing that could take days to clear, they've worked with major banks across the country to ensure that funds are available immediately upon deposit. Isn't it about time that technology worked in favor of beneficiaries? But there's more to this story than just faster payments. The Social Security Administration has completely revamped how they calculate and distribute benefits. They've taken into account factors like regional cost of living differences, healthcare expenses, and even inflation rates to ensure that beneficiaries receive more appropriate support. Have you noticed how your current benefits barely keep up with today's expenses? For retirement benefit recipients, tomorrow's enhanced payment includes adjustments based on your work history and previous contributions. The Social Security Administration has implemented a new formula that better recognizes the value of your lifetime earnings. The question is, are you aware of how your work history affects tomorrow's deposit? SSI recipients, pay close attention to this part. The enhanced payment structure includes significant changes to the federal benefit rate and resource limits. Remember those restrictive asset limits that have kept many beneficiaries from saving money? Tomorrow's payment reflects a more realistic approach to financial security. Isn't it time that SSI recipients had more flexibility in managing their resources? SSDI beneficiaries. Tomorrow's deposit includes additional considerations for various disability-related expenses. The Social Security Administration has finally acknowledged that managing a disability often comes with hidden costs that weren't previously factored into benefit calculations. Have you been keeping track of your disability-related expenses? One of the most significant aspects of tomorrow's enhanced payment is how it handles back payments and adjustments. If you've been underpaid in previous months or have pending adjustments, these will be automatically included in tomorrow's deposit. The system has been designed to identify and correct previous discrepancies without requiring beneficiaries to file additional paperwork. But here's something crucial you need to understand about tomorrow's deposit. It's not just about the money hitting your account. The Social Security Administration has implemented new security measures to protect these enhanced payments from fraud and errors. Have you updated your bank information recently to ensure a smooth deposit? Timing. While the deposits are preloaded for tomorrow, different banks might process them at slightly different times. Some beneficiaries might see the money in their accounts as early as midnight, while others might need to wait until their bank's regular processing time. Do you know your bank's typical processing schedule for Social Security deposits? Here's an interesting development. The Social Security Administration has created a new online tracking system for these enhanced payments. Similar to tracking a package, you can now monitor the status of your deposit in real time through your My Social Security account. When was the last time you logged into your account to verify your payment information? Special considerations for spouses and survivors. For those of you who receive benefits as a spouse or survivor, tomorrow's enhanced payment includes special considerations. The Social Security Administration has adjusted how they calculate these derivative benefits to better reflect the financial needs of families. Have you reviewed your eligibility for any additional family benefits? One aspect that's particularly important about tomorrow's payment is how it affects those who receive multiple types of benefits. If you get both Social Security Retirement and SSI, or if you receive benefits from multiple programs, the new system ensures that all your payments are properly coordinated and maximized. Are you aware of all the benefits you're eligible for? Impact on other benefits. Let's address a common concern. How will tomorrow's enhanced payment affect other benefits you might receive? The Social Security Administration has coordinated with other federal and state agencies to ensure that this increase won't negatively impact your eligibility for other assistance programs. Isn't it refreshing to see different agencies working together for beneficiaries? Benefits for working beneficiaries. For those of you who are still working while receiving benefits, tomorrow's payment includes adjustments to the earnings limit calculations. The Social Security Administration has implemented a more flexible approach to earned income, allowing beneficiaries to work more without facing harsh benefit reductions. Have you been limiting your work hours because of benefit restrictions? Here's something that many people don't realize about tomorrow's enhanced payment. It includes provisions for emergency expenses and extraordinary circumstances. The Social Security Administration has built in additional support for beneficiaries facing unexpected financial challenges. Do you know what qualifies as an extraordinary circumstance under these new guidelines? Technology behind preloaded deposits. Let's talk about the technology behind tomorrow's preloaded deposits. The Social Security Administration has partnered with major financial institutions to create a secure instant payment system. This means no more waiting days for checks to clear or worrying about payment delays. Isn't it time that Social Security payments caught up with modern banking technology? Representative payees. For those of you with representative payees, tomorrow's enhanced payment comes with new management tools. The Social Security Administration has created simplified reporting requirements and better oversight mechanisms to ensure that benefits are properly managed. If you're a representative payee, are you familiar with these new tools? Scam prevention. Unfortunately, whenever there are significant benefit changes, scammers try to take advantage of the situation. Remember, the Social Security Administration will never call you asking for personal information or fees to process your enhanced payment. Have you been keeping up with the latest scam warnings? Here's a practical tip for tomorrow. Make sure you have access to your online banking system. With these enhanced payments, you'll want to verify that the deposit has been processed correctly and that you have access to your funds. When was the last time you checked your online banking credentials? Managing benefits for elderly relatives. For those helping elderly relatives manage their benefits, tomorrow's enhanced payment system includes new features for family support. The Social Security Administration has created better tools for authorized family members to assist with benefit management. Are you taking advantage of these family support features? Long-term impact of enhanced payments. Let's discuss the long-term impact of these enhanced payments. The Social Security Administration isn't just making a one-time adjustment. They're implementing a new payment structure that will better serve beneficiaries going forward. How will you use this improved payment system to better plan your financial future? One of the most positive aspects of tomorrow's enhanced payment is the improved communication system. The Social Security Administration will send confirmation notices through multiple channels, email, text, and postal mail, to ensure beneficiaries are informed about their payments. Have you updated your communication preferences recently? Tax implications. For those concerned about tax implications, the Social Security Administration has worked with the IRS to ensure clear guidance on how these enhanced payments should be reported. They've simplified the process to help beneficiaries avoid any tax-related complications. Do you understand how tomorrow's payment might affect your tax situation? Key takeaways. As we approach the conclusion of this important update, let me remind you of the key things to remember about tomorrow's payment. check your My Social Security account for specific details about your enhanced payment. Verify your bank information to ensure smooth processing. Be vigilant about potential scams. Protect your personal information. Keep an eye on your bank account tomorrow for the deposit. Remember, these enhanced payments represent a significant step forward in how the Social Security Administration serves beneficiaries. The question isn't just about receiving a larger payment tomorrow. It's about having a more reliable, efficient, and responsive benefits system moving forward. If this information has been helpful to you, please don't forget to like this video and share it with anyone who receives Social Security benefits. Your questions and comments help shape future videos, so drop them below. I read every single one. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay informed about future Social Security updates and changes that could affect your benefits. Until tomorrow, stay informed and keep an eye on your bank account for that enhanced payment.